From March to July 2025 to mark 5 years since the pandemic, I am offering free performing rights for my latest play, PANDEMEXPLOSION, set here in the UK and in the port of Beirut during the pandemic. If you're interested in putting PANDEMEXPLOSION on next academic year, please contact me to send you a free pack, including extracts from the play, to give you a clear idea of the diverse opportunities it offers. Salamander Street are also offering a 24% discount on sets of 15 scripts. The creative powerhouse Box House Theatre, who worked alongside ISL, the commissioning school, to R&D the staging, they're offering a 20% discount for a full-day workshop with your cast to stage the opening scene to performance standard and set your production off to an explosive start. Please look in the comments below for details and subscribe to my YouTube channel.